Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre bi-turbo diesel engine producing 204 bhp. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example comes in the lovely pure grey solid paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on a set of 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear-loading barn doors. Across the barn doors we'll find a rear-view reversing camera, as well as a set of rear parking sensors lining the rear bumper. Behind the barn doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and on the side there's a step allowing easy access in and out of the load area. Up in the cab we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this there's a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. All the seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric cloth upholstery, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to access all your favourite radio stations, connect your phone using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as host a variety of vehicle settings. The van also comes with climatic air conditioning, and throughout the cab we'll find a 12V and a few USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.